Hello everybody, my name is Alex and I'm a project manager with Allanson International, and today we're going to talk about the new Allanson's multi-protocol controller. This controller was made and designed in Canada. This controller can run two protocols at the same time, the SPI and DMX. It is equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen display. It has hard key buttons and also 16 ports that are divided between SPI Boosted, and DMX signals. For convenience, it also has two 3-pin DMX ports. To upload the files on this controller, one can use USB-C port. This controller is capable for running 21,000 RGB addressable modules and an unlimited number of RGB and RGBW modules. Let's take a look at the most typical scenario. In most typical scenario, we would consider that your controller would need to run two protocols at the same time. Here you can see that we are running the DMX protocol using RGBW modules, and on the other side you can see that we are also running SPI protocol using the Allanson's new addressable modules. In the one that we're going to talk about right now is the project where you need to run two protocols simultaneously and your RGB addressable sign is located very far away. So what would you do in this particular case? So let's see what we have here. So right now our main controller is running two protocols. It's running RGB 3W modules, and it also runs the RGB addressable modules. In the case when you need to extend the run of your addressable modules and get to your sign, what we're going to do is we will have the two extra components in this particular case. So we will have the extender, we will have the extender receiver and extender transmitter. So let's take a look at it closer. This is new Allanson extender transmitter, and this is new Allanson extender receiver. Now we can extend the distance between the controller and the sign by 1,000 feet using these two new Allanson parts. Let's take a look at another scenario when you have more than 4 signs on the building and you have to run two protocols, DMX and SPI, at the same time. You can see here that we're running DMX protocol for one sign on the building and we're also running SPI protocol. But in this scenario, you need to extend your run from a master controller to each of the 4 signs that are populated with addressable modules. In this case, you will need to extend and boost the SPI signal. So in order to do this, you would use the Allanson SPI splitter and range extender and boost the SPI signal by maximum of 1,000 feet using the Cat5, Cat6 cable together with the Allanson range extender receiver. And you can see that this example is vividly showing exactly this scenario what we're talking about. And here we have another scenario when you are running two protocols at the same time. Here you run RGB addressable modules, and here we run the DMX protocol. So in this case, we're using two power amplifiers because we need to power more than 62 RGBW modules. You will need to install as many power amplifiers as it is required by the project. Don't forget that you can run a maximum of 62 RGBW modules or 80 RGB3 modules on one 60-watt power supply. We went through the different scenarios where the new Allanson multi-protocol controller can be used. Thank you very much for watching. For more information, you can visit our website at www.allanson.com or contact your local sales representative for purchases.